Bullish Atom value expectation is $12.47 to $25.34. Cosmos cost could likewise reach $50 soon. Bearish Atom cost expectation for 2022 is $8.55. In Cosmos cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Atom to examine the future development of the digital money. Cosmos current market status, as indicated by CoinGecko. The cost of Cosmos is $9.79 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $143,726,595 at the hour of composing. Nonetheless, Atom has expanded by almost 2.1% as of now. Besides, Cosmos has a coursing supply of 292,586,163 Atom. At present, Cosmos exchanges digital money trades like Binance, BTCEX, OKX, Bybit, and Deepcoin. What is Cosmos? The Cosmos is a decentralized organization of free equal blockchains, each determined by BFT agreement calculations like the Tendermint Agreement. All in all, the Cosmos is a climate of blockchains that can gauge and work on one another. Prior to the Cosmos, the blockchains were quiet and couldn't speak with one another. They were difficult to create and could deal with few exchanges each second. Cosmos tackles these issues with another mechanical vision. To comprehend this vision, we really want to return to the fundamentals of blockchain innovation. Cosmos Value Forecast 2022. Cosmos stands firm on the 25th footing on CoinGecko at the present time. Atom cost expectation 2022 is made sense of beneath with an everyday time span. The rising triangle is a trademark example of a continuous bullish pattern. This triangle is framed by an even upper trend line that interfaces the highs and the lower trend line that associates the rising lows. Assuming the pattern breaks out at the opposition level, the cost will keep on climbing in this rising triangle design. As of now, Cosmos is in the scope of $9.79. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of Atom could arrive at the opposition levels of $17.03 and $33.77. On the off chance that the pattern inverts, the cost of Atom might tumble to $8.99 and $5.58. Cosmos backing and obstruction levels. The outline underneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Cosmos. The diagrams show that Cosmos has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, Atom could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at $25.34. As needs be, on the off chance that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Cosmos could dive to nearly $8.55, a negative sign. Cosmos Value Expectation 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Cosmos is displayed in the outline underneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. As of now, the RVOL of Atom lies beneath the end line, demonstrating frail members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Cosmos is displayed in the outline above. Outstandingly, Cosmos cost lies underneath the 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. At present, Atom has entered a negative state. Thusly, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Atom whenever. In the meantime, the overall strength record of the Atom is 41.69. This implies that Cosmos is almost oversold. Notwithstanding, this implies a significant value inversion of Atom might happen in the impending days. Thus, dealers need to painstakingly exchange. Cosmos Value Expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list of Cosmos. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of Cosmos. As of now, the ADX of Atom lies in the scope of 17.673, and in this way, it demonstrates a powerless pattern. The above graph likewise addresses the general unpredictability record of Cosmos. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of Atom lies under 50, showing low instability. Truth be told, the RSI of Cosmos is at 41.69, hence affirming a potential sell signal. Correlation of Atom with BTC, ETH. The underneath graph shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cosmos. From the above outline, we can decipher the value changes of ETH and Atom are moving in a comparative pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of Atom additionally increments or diminishes separately. Cosmos Value Expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern switches, Cosmos could likely achieve $50 by 2023. Cosmos Value Expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Cosmos could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Atom could revitalize to hit $55 by 2024. Cosmos Value Forecast 2025. If Cosmos supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Atom would mobilize to hit $60. Cosmos Value Expectation 2026. If Cosmos supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Atom would mobilize to hit $65. Cosmos Value Forecast 2027. If Cosmos supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Atom would mobilize to hit $70. Cosmos Value Expectation 2028. In the event that Cosmos holds up areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market, by driving critical cost rallies, Atom would hit $75 in 2028. Cosmos Value Forecast 2029. In the event that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Cosmos, it would observe significant spikes. Atom could hit $80 by 2029. Cosmos Value Expectation 2030. With more prominent headways in the Cosmos biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Atom for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Subsequently, Cosmos could hit $85 by 2030. And, with non-stop upgrades in the Cosmos organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Atom. Hence, the bullish value expectation of Cosmos in 2022 is $25.34. Then again, the negative value expectation of Cosmos cost expectation for 2022 is $8.55. Moreover, with the progressions and moves up to the Cosmos environment, the presentation of Atom would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $44.45 very soon. In any case, it could likewise reach $50 assuming that the financial backers accept that Atom is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Cosmos? Cosmos is a cryptographic money intended to influence the blockchain climate. 2. Where could you at any point buy Cosmos? Cosmos has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, BTCX, OKX, Bybit, and Deepcoin. 3. Will Cosmos come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the Cosmos stage, Atom has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Cosmos? On January 17, 2022, Cosmos arrived at its new all-time high of $44.45. 5. Is Cosmos a wise interest in 2022? Cosmos is by all accounts one of the top acquiring digital currencies this year. As per the kept accomplishments of Cosmos in the beyond couple of months, Atom is viewed as a wise interest in 2022. 6. Could Cosmos reach $50? Cosmos is one of the dynamic cryptos that keeps on keeping up with its bullish state. At last, on the off